Want to get updates from any website delivered straight to your inbox automatically? I'll show you how to turn almost any website into a scheduled email digest using RSS.app. Whether you're monitoring competitors, tracking industry news, or following your favorite blogs, stay up to date without constantly checking multiple websites. Start by copying the URL of the website you want to track. It can be a news site, social media page, blog, or almost any other website. Next, open RSS.app and paste the URL into the RSS generator. RSS app will create a structured feed that automatically pulls in new updates from that page. Save the feed, then click the email icon on the right-hand side. Here, you can customize the subject line and sender name to make your digest easy to recognize in your inbox, especially if you're tracking multiple topics. Next, choose when you'd like to receive updates. For example, you might schedule a digest every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m., so the latest news is waiting for you when you start work. Under the Templates tab, you can customize the email layout and control how much of each post is included, depending on whether you prefer a quick summary or more context. By default, Ignore Sent Posts is turned off, which means you'll only receive new posts that haven't been sent before. That way, you won't receive the same content over and over again. If you want to narrow your results even further, you can apply feed filters before the email is generated. For example, you can only include posts with images or use keywords to focus on specific topics while filtering out anything that's irrelevant. Once everything is set up, click Send Test to preview the email and make sure it looks exactly the way you want. And when you're happy with the result, click Save. That's it. RSS app will now automatically send new updates from your chosen website to your inbox according to the schedule you configured. As your workflow grows, you can combine multiple feeds into a single email digest using bundles, or enable AI Brief to receive an AI-generated summary instead of every individual post. Try it today with RSS.app.